Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we have another unbagging today. This is the color Curate. I completely forgot what it was called for a second. From So Susan Cosmetics. Everything in here is cruelty-free and vegan, and a lot of it is paraben-free as well. I'm not sure if all of it is, so I don't want to say all of it, but I feel like all of it. Also, I kind of look a little weird today. I've got two different eye looks going on, but I also kind of like the vibe, so... okay, but this is what the month of March's bag looks like. It's got like these, I think they're like Chinese umbrellas, but I could be wrong. That's the vibe I get from them, but they might just be flowers as well. I don't know, but that's what it looks like. So opening it up, here's what the inside looks like. You do get a card every month that tells all the products in there. You get four products, and then the bag, they include the bag as the fifth product, so that is what it is. But here is the first thing. This is from Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. This is the bronzer duo in the shade Caribbean Sun. How do you guys say that? I say both. I say Pirates of the Caribbean, but then I'll be like, I want to go to the Caribbean, so I don't know. I say both, I guess. But this is what it looks like on the inside, and well, there's a mirror, and then there's a bronzer and a brush on the other side. I say ugh just because they're very small pans, and I like to use a big brush for bronzer. Ooh, that blush didn't swatch well. Okay, the blush has like no pigmentation, but the bronzer looks okay. So this is worth $24.95. Also, they say the bag is worth $12 every time. And then we have this is by So Susan Cosmetics. This is the Dream Maker Light Shifting Highlighting Cream. And it looks like this. I feel like I've seen this before. Did I used to own this? I think mine was like purple though. Pop Star is the shade. This retails for $29, jeez. Kind of blends out to like a powder finish. It's really pretty though. I'll probably use that under my foundation. So maybe we'll give that a go at some point. Next thing is the Jelly Juice by Trifle Cosmetics. Packaging's a little smushed there. This retails for, you're in the shade Creamsicle? What are you? Trifle Cosmetics packaging always annoys me because they never have what it is. So it's got to be the shade Creamsicle, and it's $9. What is it though? It's a tinted lip glow. Here's the packaging. Super cute packaging, but they never have like shade names on there, and it drives me crazy. Now let's see if I can open this. There we go. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what that smells like. It smells amazing. Like cherry, but cherry something. Like cherry cheesecake, maybe? Okay. Very thick, but it blends out nicely. That smells so good. If you guys have tried this, let me know what you think it smells like down below. Okay. There are kids outside playing, and it scared me. And the last thing in the palette, or in the package, is a palette. This is a Subtropical palette by So Susan Cosmetics. Don't I already own this? Didn't I get this once? Do I have it anymore? I don't know. I'm not sure where it's at, but I'm pretty sure I already have this and got this in the same box. Yeah. That's annoying. Here's, oh, wait, actually no. Those are different shades, but that's the same palette name. I dropped something, the little insert that goes in here. Oh, okay, so it's a subtropical palette in Royal Palm. So I'm wondering if there was other ones, but it doesn't say Royal Palm on here anyway. Yes, it does, right here. That's still kind of annoying just because you'd have to like look at that to be able to know which palette you're pulling out. So I wish they would have done something a little bit different, but these colors are very pretty nonetheless. So let's go ahead and swatch some of them. Ooh, it looks like we actually have a matte shade in this one. Ooh, pretty. We didn't get a matte shade last time. They were just all metallics in the other palette. And this palette retails for $45. I don't know that it's worth $45, but they are really pretty shadows. Yes, those are gorgeous. Okay. Well, I'm still annoyed that the packaging is exactly the same, but I'm excited that it's different. So, quick little recap. The palette I'm excited about for sure. The bronzer duo I'm okay with, just because I like the bronzer in here. I think it's pretty. I just don't know that I'm going to use it because it's such a small pan. So I don't know. I kind of feel wasteful swatching that. This I'm excited to try. Mainly just because it smells amazing, but I'm excited to try that. I tend to like Trifle Cosmetics stuff for lips. I just threw the highlighter, but the highlighter I'm okay with too. So yeah, that's everything in this bag. Don't forget to let me know if you guys get this, what you think of it, because sometimes I'm like blown away and sometimes I'm like, eh. So let me know what you think, and don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.